the Saginaw Farms. We are over here at my mom's garage, and we are going to be working on her mower. It's a Woods, what model number is it?
It's a 6215.
6215, and I'm down here with Zach, and we got 2 new PTO drive belts to put on. So, I don't know, I really didn't bother to look for videos on how to do this, but I guess we're gonna make one. So, let's get to it.
Alright, I think we're gonna start with removing this cover here. So we'll get through that and then we'll see what's underneath. I know there's only 3 pulley wheels that the belt has to go on. There's the engine shaft wheel, the crankshaft wheel, there's the PTO drive wheel, and then there's an idler tensioner. So we'll get this off and we'll see what we can do with the idler. Alright, that's the cover. That's off now. The idler is this one down here. So we gotta get that one off. This is the clutch PTO for the little Kubota diesel under here. And other ones down there. Alright, we gotta get this idler off here. Okay.
We just got the plate off that held the belts in. I don't know if that's its exact purpose, but
No, it keeps the clutch from spinning
keep the clutch from
in the opposite direction. Now I gotta unplug this wire connection to the clutch so that I can get this.
Unplug or?
Yes, I think. Yeah, it unplugs.
You shortly once we get this unplugged. All right, we got the old belt down. Where is it? This is a grasshopper belt too.
Make sure they're the same size.
We went to Ag Industrial yesterday to pick these belts up. So
these are the new ones.
The new ones are a little fatter than the old ones.
But that's good.
Yeah, that's good, and well, they should be. That's actually a grasshopper belt too. The old one.
I think
old
the other
one that broke was not a grasshopper one.
It didn't even have anything on it. Any numbers, no nothing.
It looked pretty similar to this one though.
Yeah.
This one. The grasshopper belt. Find a little camera. See? We'll hang this up.
Ah!
And you can watch Zach struggle putting the belts on.
Thanks,
Well,
Jake.
hang this one.
Well, you do absolutely nothing, as usual. Alright, give me like a pair of pliers or something, because I need to pull the end of the spring out.
Alright. If I'm placing his head. How about right there? Alright. Pair of straight grips or something?
Yeah.
Screwdriver?
Well, I screwdriver might work.
Alright, I didn't record this because it was kind of a pain in the butt, and
Oh,
but
come on.
it's a little frustrating. You gotta push that idler pulley over, and we gotta take a screw. We got one belt on so far. We're attempting to get the other one. There's two belts. I'll set you back here. Alright, we just managed to get the last belt on. So if you can see right down
It's right there, alright.
there. See the new belts? Now we gotta get that plate back on that
Where is it?
holds the PTO clutch in place. So it's a little quick time drops. Alright, we got the covers back on, we got the belts on, and we're gonna go test this out. So, you know what that means? That means a little cold start. So, I'll say that right now. Well, are we gonna see if it cuts? The belts don't even squeak.
Dang, they've always squeaked on this thing. That was, I was expecting the usual.
Yeah.
It sounded really nice.
grass
We
on-
did something.
Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you learned something from this video.
I know we certainly did. It was an enjoyable-ish experience.
It only took us like... It only took us an hour.
Less than an hour. I need to find my watch.
So, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Type in the comments if you have any suggestions for future videos. And we'll see you in the next one.